In these examples here, we're going to graph each circle using at least 4 points and the center. Same thing we did with ellipses. We want to find the center to begin with. Then we're going to find R. We're going to graph a few points and see if we can draw a nice circle. So the center here is at 0, 0. There's no h and k, or at least the values of h and k are 0. So we'll write that down just as a reminder, 0, 0. And you can plot that if you'd like to. Now the radius here will be the square root of 196. And the square root of 196 should be 14. So with this, it's going to be off the scale, or off the off the graph a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the scale, and I'm going to make every tick mark worth 2. And we're going to do the same thing for the y-axis as well. To plot our points then, all we need to do is apply the radius both left and right, and also up and down. So if each tick mark is worth 2, this would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Or the 7th tick mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th tick mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one last time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, all of these points, if they lie on the circle, and they definitely do, should be equidistant from the center. Drawing a circle can be a little tricky. Try and make a nice arced shape. If you need to rotate the paper, please do so. I'm going to try this one without rotating. I'm usually not that great without rotating, but we'll see how well I do here on this one. Not too bad, really. Not too bad at all. So with a little bit of practice and just take your time, you can end up drawing some pretty nice circles. You can also turn the page like this if you're better drawing an arc from left to right, or maybe vice versa. So that's fine as well. We've got our 4 points. We've got our center, and it's graphed. No big deal.